Hey guys, Jeff Goldtrap in Nashville. This question came up the other day. Hey Jeff, what are my chances of getting probation? Well, first of all, first of all, I would tell you that I'm a lawyer, not a bookie. Okay, you go to Las Vegas or one of the casinos nearby in Nashville, and they'll tell you the chances of something happen. What are the chances that my next card will make me 21 or less than 21, or what's the chances that the dealer is going to draw 21? Those are the chances. When you say, what are my chances of getting probation? I can tell you that if you're charged with an E, D, or C felony or an A misdemeanor, you have a better chance of getting probation than a B felony. And of course, an A felony cannot be granted probation. There's so much time involved. But if you have no prior criminal record, you're a much better candidate for probation. If you did not have one of the few offenses, there are some charges that are not allowed to be on probation. And so if you have one of those charges, your chances are very slim that you'll get probation. If you have a charge that allows you to get probation, your chances are better. So let's take an example. Let's say you just had a very bad night, had an argument with your spouse, and you began something that would lead you to a misdemeanor domestic violence charge, but then you kind of increased that problem by taking this person about the throat and trying to strangle them, and you collected the charge of felony aggravated assault. Domestic violence type of assault, but with strangulation becomes an aggravated assault. Okay. What are the chances that you're going to get probation? Well, you'd have to tell me a little bit more about yourself and about the alleged victim. Is the alleged victim somebody that says, I wish that they would come back, I wish to work out our family situation, I'm going to cooperate with the defense and try to help out the defendant? That would increase the opportunity for you to get something less than go to prison. If you said this was the first time I've ever been arrested, that increases the chances that you'll get probation. If you said, I immediately began psychological treatment for anger management to try to find out what makes me get angry so fast, that increases the chances that you'll get probation. That looks like somebody who's trying to do the right thing. If you said, for example, I got this aggravated domestic violence assault kind of case for strangulation, made bond. 2 weeks later, I got the same kind of case with another individual. 3 weeks later, I pulled a gun on somebody and attempted to rob them. Okay, now the chances of you getting probation are less and less and less. So if you want to increase the chances that you're going to get probation, number one, make this your first offense. Make this your last offense, and do what you can to get ahead of any kind of problem, whether it's a drug problem or a psychological problem or just a behavior problem. Get in front of that before sentencing, before we have a chance for the judge to decide maybe you should just go to jail and not get probation. Get in front of this thing. One of the ways you do that is to get a good attorney on your side. If you are in Tennessee, I'll be happy to help you out. If you're in one of the many other states where people watch my videos on YouTube, talk to me. If I can help you find somebody in your state, that's fine. If not, reach out to anyone who's competent in your state. But what are the chances that I'll get probation? The chances are a lot better if you prepare yourself for the sentencing early, and this is your only offense. Okay. I'm Jeff Goldtrap in Nashville. And even though you are facing a court case where you're saying, what are the chances that I'll get probation? I still want you to make it a great day.